Good morning everyone. This is next part of division by t. Division by t is a property of Laplace transform. If you have not seen the concept of division by t, please go through it and find the link in description box. So today we take one question. Show that integration limit is 0 to infinite e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt upon t dt equal to log b by a. We already seen in our previous video, the question comes directly like find out the Laplace transform of something and something. But here pattern are different. Here question is show that. So we need to take the left hand side and prove right hand side. So let's start this question. Here we are taking e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt as a function. So f of t is e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt. Now we are finding the Laplace transform of e to the power at minus e to the power minus bt. We separate both the term by using linearity property and find out the Laplace transform of each function. And result is 1 upon s plus a minus 1 upon s plus b by transform of elementary function. Now we are finding the Laplace transform of e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt upon t equal to integration of s to infinite and f dash s. This is the value of f dash s by using the property division by t. So integration of 1 upon s plus a is log s plus a minus log s plus b and limit is s to infinite. Here we are using the property of log m minus log n, and that is so when we plugging upper limit we get 0, and when we are plugging lower limit we get negative log s plus a upon s plus b. So this is the Laplace transformation of e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt upon t equal to log s plus b upon s plus a. But our question is find the Laplace transform of 0 to infinite and this. So we already seen in our previous video, when we have the limit 0 to infinite, we compare our question with definition of Laplace transform and find the value of s. Here the value of s is 0. So we plug in the value of s in f dash s, that means log s plus b upon s plus a. So we get the left hand side part equal to log b by a, right hand side part. Here question is find the Laplace transform of e to the power minus t integration 0 to t sin t upon t dt. So we start our solution from taking sin t as a function, then finding the Laplace transform of sin t. After that we are using division by t property. After that we are using transform of integral, just because here limit is 0 to t. When we have limit 0 to infinite, we compare with the definition part of Laplace transform. But here the limit is 0 to t, so we are using transform of integral property. And next, first shifting property. So let's start the question. Find Laplace transform of sin t. and the solution is 1 upon s square plus 1 by transform of elementary function. Now in second step, we need to find out the Laplace transform of sin t upon t. So here we are using the property division by t, and according to this property, we integrate f dash s and limit is s to infinite. So the integration of this term is tan inverse s, because we know the formula 1 upon a square plus x square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse x upon a. Now plugging the upper limit tan inverse infinite minus plugging the lower limit tan inverse s, and here I am writing infinity in a form of tan pi by 2 minus tan inverse s. So tan inverse and tan cancel out हो जाएंगे. We have only pi by 2 minus tan inverse s. हम अपने नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में देखते हैं. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse s equal to cot inverse s, because we have the property tan inverse s plus cot inverse s equals to pi by 2. So Laplace transform of sin t upon t equal to cot inverse s. And this is the value of f dash s. Now we need to find out the Laplace transform of 0 to t sin t upon t equal to 1 by s f dash s, and the value of f dash s is cot inverse s. So we already know in ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ इंटीग्रल कि हम f डैश s में 1 अपॉन s मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं और वो हमारा रिजल्ट होता है. सो बाय ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ इंटीग्रल प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट Laplace transform of e to the power t and this expression, and result is we are using first shifting property. So according to first shifting property, f dash s को हम f dash s minus a लिखते हैं, and here the value of a is minus 1. तो यहाँ पे s plus 1 इसलिए लिखा गया है, and cot inverse s की प्लेस पे भी हमने s plus 1 यूज़ किया.
This is all about today lecture. We will continue the same topic in our next video. If you have any query, please feel free to ask in comment box. Stay safe, stay connected. Bye-bye.